Hi guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Barkbox for January 2020. I did film I filmed a Barkbox video for last month, but I couldn't get to it to upload until into January. So I just scrapped the video, but they did get the box. They did love the box. I can't remember what they got in it, but they always enjoy the boxes. They always enjoy the treats. So this is just sort of... She's destroying a toy right now. This is sort of just a chance to have fun with my dogs and give them treats. You know, dogs give us so much love and, you know, they don't ask for much in return except for, you know, occasional treats and toys. So this box is about, there's different like tiers of it. I'm pretty sure I'm paying 20 bucks for each box. I did get some sort of deal where I like paid up front for all the boxes, but I'm pretty sure I value it. But I'm pretty sure it equaled out to like 20 bucks a box. So this is for large breed dogs. I do have 2 large breed dogs and 1 middle-sized, medium-sized dog right there. She has a big spirit, so she doesn't seem to have any problem with these boxes. So she's just gonna get big toys, and she don't mind. This caterpillar here is her favorite toy, and it's about as tall as me. This is probably the 5th one I've bought her. She loves this thing. Josie steals it from her, but that is Harley's favorite thing, is that giant caterpillar. Okay, you ready to see what's in here? Okay, so let's just go ahead and open this box up. Everybody's been waiting. This has been sitting in my entryway for about a week now, and they knew it was there, and they've been waiting to open it. So today's finally the day that we have time to sit down and open it. Right? Oh my goodness, it's all taped up, sorry. Okay, we have really cute like themes and stuff in here. Okay, stop. Okay, go sit down. Sit. You gotta sit like a good girl. Okay, let me show them the theme at least. So this is Must Squeak TV. Oh, they are gonna love this. This is, I don't know who that dog is, but he's pretty cute. I'm trying to look at what we have here. Okay, so these are the shows of Bark TV. Alright, let's see what we have. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I gotta put that there so I can look at it. So the first thing I have is okay, so the first thing is this cat. I think it's a cat. It says Catty Van de Claw. There it is. Squeaks, has like crunchy stuff in there. You ripped off the tag so you don't hurt yourself. Okay, who wants it? Who wins? Alright, Josie took that. She's gonna take that. And it looks like we have a little like handbag. This is well-heeled handbag. There it is. Okay, sit, mama. It's got crunchy and squeaking. Alright, Harley gets that one. Okay, let her have it. Okay. Harley, you don't want it? So we have these treats right here. This is Piggies in a Blanket pork recipe dog treats with chickpeas and kale. Alright. I know, I'm trying to get it open, Mama. I know you think you can do it without me. Alright. Bronx goes first because he's the nicest. So they're kind of big treats. Want that? Josie? Harley, you want that? Okay. Alright, everybody seems to enjoy those. These ones are wheat-free, soy-free, corn-free, and grain-free, which works out because Josie is allergic to grain. Mom, stop. Oh my gosh. Okay. Next one is Piggy Puffs pork recipe dog treats, light and crunchy. Josie, stop. Sit. Okay. Bronx, you're the best. You go first. When I mean the best, I mean he's the best behaved. It's yours. Those ones might be good for bedtime treats. They're nice and light. So yeah, seem to like that. Okay, so there's the 2 treats. And then normally we have just 1 chew. But this time it looks like they threw an extra one in here because I have 2 duck recipe chews, which are these. And there's like beef sticks, they sort of look like. And then the other one is a Mad About Chew. This is, again, pork. So this one's just like a little bit more of like chewy. Okay, stop. Alright, so I'm not going to give them the chews right now because they're already crazy. They do like the chews, so I'll probably give them those tonight. But yeah, do you guys like your toys? What do you guys think? Bronx seems to really like the cat. Where did this come from? Is this a brand new squeaker? Or is this from the Caterpillar? No, you can't have that. There's Bronx back there playing with the cat. Oh, now Harley's got it. Nobody likes the purse? All right, what do you say? What do you say? All right, so that's everything, right? Anybody have anything they need to mention? Oh, Josie, you can't have both. She has both of them? Go take one. You like the purse? Okay. So I will say that those squeakers will probably all be dead and out of the toys by the end of the day. Barkbox does offer a like super chewer sort of box. But part of the fun for them is just like shredding stuff, and I don't mind it. It's 20 bucks, you know, 10 bucks on treats and 10 bucks on toys, and then you get to choose as a bonus. Is sort of how I look at it. And they're good babies, so I don't mind, you know, letting them have something that they destroy, right? Right? We're good babies. All right, you guys want to say bye? That's all we have for today. All right, I think we're going to go ahead and go. Bronx, you want to say anything? No? You want the Caterpillar? No, good boy. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and leave, and we will see you guys in a video very soon. I normally do beauty subscription unboxings, but every now and then again, we do this for these guys because they like it, right? They like it. All right, say bye. Can you speak? Can you speak? All right, he says bye. Bye, guys.